I'm Richard Daniels, and my short film, Nature Morte, Pandemic Dance No.3, is in the FFTG Awards Film Festival. This film is one of 5 from a suite of short dance films called The Pandemic Dances, obviously trying in some way to express something about this time in which we're living. I've used mostly iPhones for filming this series. Everything that was at hand, it was all filmed in the place in which I live. And my intention was just to try to document something of the experience of this time in movement and on camera. This particular film is really encapsulating a feeling about being in close quarters, the anxiety and tension of spending so much time inside. I hope you enjoy it.